Hello everyone, I'm welcoming you to my favorite channel, that is Aapki Khwahish. And in this video I'm going to tell you something very interesting which I had done for you. So I had decided to just go ahead with your all English speaking lectures, right, which I had already shared to you. But from today we'll discuss different sentences and different word meanings so that you should understand it. I had made some of the videos for you all for becoming confident in English, to speak very well in front of someone, and blah blah and blah videos. But still, you need some of the vocabs, you need some of the pronunciation sticks to understand English well and to make sentences itself. So I'm going to share some of the top 3 lectures for you all, and if you like that lectures I will just go ahead with 3 more videos. And if you're going ahead with like subscribing and sharing those videos, I will just make 3 more videos for them. And or and I'll just make videos if you all will comment, share, like, and subscribe the channel, right? And I will be just making the videos if you are doing your work. So thanks for liking, subscribing and sharing my channel. I want some of the comments in this video that you want this video or not. So if you want this video, comment me in the comment box fast. I'll be waiting. Bye. I'm online this time. Please comment. After that, we'll go ahead with the live sessions, and each and every sessions will be very helpful for you all. So bye. Take care.